And then for our audience segmentation, this is going to be the most important part for today for running our max clicks strategy, right? So here we're going to go once more and type in home and garden services. And we want to target people that are in the market. Basically, in the market means that they're looking for home and garden services. So water and fire damage, they're shopping around. They've gone to multiple sites, multiple providers to basically find out whether who provides the best quote, who provides the cheapest quote, et cetera, et cetera. And we only want to target people that are actually looking for the service, right? Not customer service. They're not looking to see what their schedule appointment is. Although you might still get a couple of those calls, we want to target people specifically in the home and garden services niche. So they're in the market and they've actually shopped around a couple other sites according to what Google knows about them. And for that, in order to do that specifically, we have to do the targeting, right? So this is going to allow us to avoid keywords such as customer service, customer support. Let's say it's going to be like Joe's water and fire damage repair phone number. So obviously they're looking for that particular company's phone number and not necessarily for a quote, right? So in that case, we're going to be specifically targeting people that are shopping around and within the water and fire damages services.